Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell down below so that you'll never miss another upload. In today's video, I did want to talk a little bit on how I maintain my heat treat natural hair. And in previous videos, I did mention that I wash my hair every 3 to 4 weeks, and some of you wanted to know how I maintain my hair in those 3 to 4 weeks and how I try to prevent, the buildup and the flakes and the itchiness. So I did want to go ahead and talk a little bit about that in today's video. So my first tip is definitely make sure that your hair is clean. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, and you want to make sure that you are using a sulfate-free clarifying shampoo to remove any type of buildup throughout the weeks, any type of excess product, oil, dandruff, anything like that. A moisturizing shampoo just isn't going to get the job done. It's not going to get your hair clean. So a sulfate-free shampoo is going to allow you to get your hair clean without completely stripping your hair of its moisture. Our type of hair, we need that moisture. We don't want to completely strip it because it's going to lead our hair to be very dry and brittle and break off. So always opt for the sulfate-free clarifying shampoo. And two that I really love that are just simple, basic, going to get your hair clean without stripping it is going to be the Can 2 clarifying shampoo, as well as the one by Shea Moisture. So I do like to go in and use that sulfate-free clarifying shampoo before I go in with any type of moisturizing shampoos. Now the ones that I've tried from both Olaplex and Cream of Nature, I feel like those are more moisturizing, hydrating shampoos and not clarifying shampoos. Because I did notice when I did not clarify my hair and I just went in and used those shampoos, my hair still had flakes throughout and it didn't get my hair completely clean. So definitely make sure that you're clarifying your hair. So my second tip would have to be not to overuse things like blowout creams or leave-ins or hair serums or anything like that. You want to use minimum product. I mean minimum. You want to take, I'd say, a dime size to quarter size amount, distribute the product throughout your hair. That's it. Don't overuse it. It's going to lead to buildup. It's going to lead to flakes, and it's going to leave your hair just overall greasy and weighed down. So always remember, don't overuse those products. So my third tip would have to be, if you're finding that your scalp's getting a little bit flaky, which mine does, probably into week number 2 into week number 3, it is getting flaky already, especially in the front, it tends to get a little flaky. So what I like to do is use a lightweight hair oil just in those spots that are getting a little bit dry, because you don't want to go in and just put a ton of oil all over your scalp when you've done a silk press or you're wearing your hair straightened, because that's going to lead your hair to be really, really greasy and weighed down, and we don't want that. My biggest pet peeve is greasy, way down here, and you always want your hair, to have that bounce. You want it to be have movements, all that stuff. So you want to go in just in the areas where your scalp is dry, add a little bit of oil in those areas. That is it. Just the tiniest amount will get the job done. For me, I did do a Fenugreek hair growth oil probably about a year ago, I believe, on my channel. I'll put that video somewhere on the screen or in the description box below if you want to check out that recipe. Really, really good recipe. I use really, really lightweight oils in that recipe so that my hair and scalp wouldn't be weighed down. So that would be another option if you find that you are getting flakes in between wash days. So basically those are my biggest tips on how I maintain my heat treat natural hair between wash days. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.